We do interior work, kitchens, bathrooms, flooring. We also do exterior work, roofing, siding, windows. We build room additions. We build porches on the front of homes, on the back of homes. So anything that entails the home, we do for the customer. And if we don't do it, we have contractors that we know, that we trust to do the work, that we can refer our customers to.
I like to design things because it's creative, and I've always loved color and wallpaper and textures, and it just is very exciting to me. I grew up in a design family. My mom's a designer, my sister's now a designer, and it's just always been something that I've gravitated towards.
Damon's got good people, and he knows how to pick good people. As I look at, the construction business, especially from his angle, he can't do any better than his subs. I mean, if he gets the wrong person in the house, a person makes you feel uncomfortable, or a person, and these people all work. I mean, they don't sit around and take a lot of breaks. They're working the whole time they're here. Damon's acumen for picking subcontractors is very high.
The people that I have on the team are people that we have been working to hire or bring on as subcontractors, and that takes a while to find good subcontractors, people that we can trust, people that are reliable, people that do quality work, and those are the things that are important to me.
It just makes sense to work with a contractor who goes in first and speaks with the client and gets a feel for what they want. Then he brings in, for instance, me with the spatial design. This is what we have, Cheryl. What ideas do you have? And then we work with breaking down walls, possibly, if that's a situation or the opportunity is available. And then with Molly Fisher, the designer, it's just so well-rounded and makes this job so complete.
Heasley Property does light commercial. We've done some build-outs for people who have their own strip mall type facilities, and they want us to come in and do the interior design and interior build-out. We do that as well.
As with any remodel project, the stress is always the unknowns. How long will it take? How much mess is it going to be? How much is it going to cost? But I found that Damon was really helpful in communicating, and that any question we had, he could always answer it.
When the price of material goes up, you want a contractor who knows what they're doing, who can bring the value to you and make your dream come true.